how I did a half up, half down hairstyle using a U-part wig. So I basically just open the U-part wig like so, and then the clips that are on each side of the U, I just clip it where the line is separating the half up and the half down part. I don't know if that makes sense, but you can see what I'm doing. So how I achieve this, I just make sure that it's nice and secure at the bottom and the back. This is cute like this. I would honestly wear it like that if I could. I'm just taking some of the hair. You want to make sure that you take it from mostly like the middle. You want to keep the sides because it's going to give it more of a realistic look, and it's going to cover the clips and everything, as you see. So with my hair is still in a ponytail. It's out of the bun that you seen at the beginning, but it's still in that ponytail. I did not take that ponytail out whatsoever. So I'm just combining that ponytail with the hair from the U-part wig. My hair is not blending with it because like I haven't washed my hair, like I need to blow dry it and everything, but I just wanted to do something quick and easy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start wand curling the other hair. And honestly, what I did was I did wand curl my actual hair, but what you can do instead, because this is what I was doing because I didn't want to constantly put that heat on my actual hair. I wanted to protect my hair. That's why I did this style in the first place. But you see how I'm covering my hair? What you can do is just like put your hair in just like a two-strand twist and tuck it underneath the hair that's in the updo part. And how I was covering it, you could just do it that way. So I mean, you can wand curl your actual hair if you want to. That option is always available. But what I started to do was just like two-strand twist my hair and bobby pin it so that it's underneath the hair that's out for the updo, the half up, half down. I hope that made sense, y'all. And so I'm just bobby pinning everything in place where I want it to be. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and slay my edges a little bit further. And y'all, that is really it. This style was super easy, super quick. I would definitely be doing this style a lot more often. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have done this style before using a wig. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.